How to add and use multiple Twitter accounts. If any day you are a Twitter user and you would like to add multiple Twitter accounts on your mobile device but you do not know how to do that, just follow the following steps. For this, first of all, you have to launch your X application or Twitter application on your mobile device. You can go to the search icon on your mobile device and then search X out there. After you tap on X, now you can see that X application or the Twitter application will be launched on your very mobile device. After X or the Twitter application is launched on your mobile device, now you have to go to the settings like icon on the top. Otherwise, what you can do is you can go to your profile like icon as well. After that, you have to just scroll down and then go to the option of the settings and privacy. And then tap on settings and privacy. After tapping on settings and privacy, now you have to tap on the option of your account and then go to the option of account information and you have to log out from your very account on Twitter. Now, after you log out from your very one of the account on the Twitter, now what you can do is now you'll see an interface like this. Now here you can just log into your next account through going to continue with Google, or otherwise you can go to the option of the login here and then tap on the account name of your next login Twitter account here, and this way you can log into your next X account or the Twitter account. Thank you for watching our video, and if you really like it, do not forget to subscribe our channel.